Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start now, pick a dashboard polish formulated for vinyl or matte plastics and wipe the surface clean. Once done, perform a small test patch to check finish and color. Use a foam pad or microfiber applicator to load a pea-sized amount. You want thin coverage, not a flood. Apply to a roughly 1 square foot area and spread evenly so the product bonds rather than pools. This quick first pass prevents blotches and gives a baseline sheen to build from. Now continue by working systematically across the dashboard in 1 square foot sections. You apply the polish with light pressure, using circular strokes to work the product into texture, then finish with straight, gentle passes to level it. Make sure seams and textured areas get worked so the polish fills microporosity and reduces glare. If you encounter buildup, lift with a clean microfiber and reapply lightly. This method produces an even finish and prevents shiny hot spots that draw the eye. To finish, allow the polish to set briefly, then buff each section with a fresh, dry microfiber until the sheen matches surrounding areas. Inspect under natural light for streaks or high-gloss spots, and, if needed, apply a second very thin coat after 10 to 15 minutes. Make sure vents and controls are free of residue. If something goes wrong, for example sticky or tacky feel, wipe the spot with 70% isopropyl on a cloth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.